Good morning, sports fans. Mike Skudnig with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty. I'm on Marco Island here in Port Marco, right next to the famous Snook Inn. It's September 1st, 2021, and you know what that means? Snook season has started. And then a month from now, crabs season will start. There's my newer crab traps. Then there's the old school crab traps. We'll be tossing those in the water in a month, but starting today, you can permit fish for the elusive snook. Mike Skudnig with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, coming to you from Marco Island. If you want to buy, sell, invest, build, or rent, give me a call. Commercial or residential. Or if you want to learn how to crab or catch snook, give me a call. 219-406-6482. 219-406-6482. Mike Skudnig with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty. Make it a great day.